All right, so I am back again covering day five, or episode five that would have ended yesterday, right? Of what would be my digital marketing 30-day multi-platform content creation challenge selling digital products, okay? And the aim here is to make sure that we're posting on at least two different social media platforms on a daily basis for 30 days straight, all right, to develop the habit, all right, and hopefully carry that on long beyond the 30 days, right, to get some digital product sales going, right? We're promoting one main product, right? I think I have a total of two or three max right now. And they are all on my Stan Store. If you want to see what that looks like, just click the link in the description below this video if you're watching on YouTube, or if you're watching on any of the other social media platforms, just look for the link in bio and my profile. There'll be a link there. It'll be the same one. You can take a look at that and you can see exactly what products I'm promoting on there. Specifically, the main one would be Digital Wealth Academy, which will teach you how to get started with your own online business selling digital products, and it will show you how to make money with several different income streams, okay? And then the other one is Threads, right, which I've also been spending a lot of time on learning how to figure out how to grow an account on Threads and monetize it, okay? So those would be the two main digital products. And then I'm also promoting a high yield savings account. You can consider that a digital product as well, right? It's a financial services product, right? Through SoFi. They're like an online bank or online personal finance company, right? And the main thing I'm promoting there is a high yield savings account, which will pay you, or at least give you a lot more in interest on your money saved in the accounts, in the high yield savings account that they offer. And the good thing about it is that they pay you a $75 commission for every person that you refer to open an account with them that deposits at least $50, right? So those are at least the three main products for now, but with Digital Wealth Academy being the primary one, being the primary focus, and then Threads to Millions, which would be the Threads the product teaching you how to grow and monetize on Threads, and then the high yield savings account, where I would suggest that you put in all the money that you make, right, with selling digital products. That's pretty much what I'm going to be doing. And in the long run, hopefully be able to showcase like how much the money is growing in terms of interest. At the time of this recording, they're at 3.8% interest. That's what they're paying right now. So $10,000 deposited in an account like that, after with a 3.8% APR, would yield, you would make roughly $380 after a whole year, right? At your regular brick and mortar bank, you probably would make like what, maybe $3.80 at best, right? Something like that. Ridiculous on $10,000 after a whole year. So definitely something to consider. But anyway, let me not get off track. We can make this video pretty short. I've been, on a daily basis, just sharing what I've been doing and what results I've been getting. So with day five, which was yesterday, I only managed to, we posted on technically two different platforms, right? The third one, by the time I managed to get to it, which would be the first time that I've even just tried to do something with a third platform. But the first, when I did manage to upload it, it was, we had already crossed midnight into the next day. So really, it's not going to count for day five, right? So on day five, basically, I posted one YouTube video. And then I also responded to some comments on Threads. I think it was 15 in total. I didn't make any posts on my own. But we did have some kind of activity on there to, for engagement and exposure and growth, right? So what did that all yield in terms of results, like clicks to my store and possible sales and all that? Well, that is what I'm going to share right now, okay? Big whopping zero, okay? 0 store visits, 0 in revenue. Like I mentioned over here, I'm going to be 100% transparent with everything that we have going on here. I promise you there are not going to be any fake sales or fake results or anything like that. So this is the first time since we started on day 1 being the 16th that we've had no clicks, right? And the cumulative results, right? So this is showing you day the June the 20th, right? June the 20th. Funny enough, in a previous video I'd mentioned that I thought this would be when things start getting exciting, but it's definitely not presenting that way, right? But like I did say, TikTok was the third platform that I did create a video on, but that I did want to post on, but by the time it posted and loaded, it had already crossed into the next day, so that didn't really factor into the results for the 20th. Okay, so here are our cumulative results from when we started. So from the 16th all the way through to the 20th, we're still at 7 store visits, right? 0 sales or anything like that. We had a pretty, up until the 19th, we were getting 1 click a day, and then boom, 4 clicks out of nowhere on day 19. But then sorry, not day 19, on day 4, which was the 19th, and then we got 0 clicks yesterday, which was a day 5 on the 20th. So that's where we are right now in terms of a result lack thereof. So this is, I'm presenting everything real, raw, and untampered with. Well, no results being fudged or anything like that. Okay, so if you have any questions, comments, or suggestions in terms of what we have going on and what I'm doing, be sure to let me know in the comment section of whatever platform you're watching on. I do my very best to try to get back to every single comment. All right. If you want to get started yourself, learning how to promote, either create your own digital products and sell them, or sell other people's digital products as an affiliate, I'd highly encourage you to check out the link that I have either below this video or in the profile of, depending on what platform you're watching. It might be in the pinned comment, right? But just look around somewhere on this page. There is going to be a place where you can click on the link, which will take you to my Stan Store, and you can get access to anyone, get access to Digital Wealth Academy. For at this point, I think you can almost like zero down and make monthly payments, stuff like that. So go ahead and check it out. All right. Thank you ever so much for taking the time to watch, and I will catch you in my next video. Ciao.